In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Spotify playlist in Notion. Adding music directly into your Notion pages is a simple but powerful way to make your workspace more engaging. Whether you are creating a personal dashboard, a study page, or a shared team space with background music or curated playlists. To start, open Spotify and choose the playlist that you want to embed into Notion. This can be any playlist you have access to, whether it is one you created yourself or one you follow. Once you have the playlist open on your screen, look for the three dots, also known as the More Options menu. Clicking this will reveal several actions you can take for that playlist. From the list of options, click Share then. Select Copy Link to Playlist. This copies the playlist's URL to your clipboard, which is what Notion needs in order to display it properly. After copying the playlist link, switch over to Notion. Navigate to the page where you want the Spotify playlist to appear. This could be an existing page or a brand new one. Click anywhere on the page to make sure your cursor is active and ready for input. Once your cursor is in place, type /embed. As you type, Notion will automatically show a list of commands. Click on Embed from the list to continue. At this point, Notion will prompt you to paste a link. Paste the Spotify playlist URL that you copied earlier. Double-check that the link is correct, then click Embed Link. Notion will immediately process the URL, and within a moment, the Spotify playlist will appear directly on your page. You can now see and interact with the playlist inside Notion. The embedded player allows you or your collaborators to view the playlist and control playback without leaving the page. If needed, you can resize the embedded playlist by dragging its edges or move it around the page to better fit your layout. This makes it easy to design a clean and functional workspace that also feels more personal and enjoyable. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully embedded a Spotify playlist into your Notion page, creating a seamless connection between your music and your productivity tools. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.